This is question 6 in the practice final. The question, part B, you can't see, but I want to say what you would do for part A if you didn't know part B was coming. So let's do that first, and then say how would we answer part A if we read part B before we started part A. So part A says, is the derivative of the function positive or negative over the given interval? So for full credit for this question, you can say W is increasing, so W prime is positive. That's full credit. However, the next question says, is the second derivative positive or negative, and explain. And then you say, but because of part B, then what we really want to do is we want to actually calculate these derivatives. So we have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and 0.5. And these numbers we have, we're going to actually do what we did in a previous question. We do this -6 minus -10, and then divide by the difference between those. So it's actually 10 minus 6 is 4. It's actually 40. Okay, so this is 40. And for these guys, I'm going to move these over. We're going to go -4 minus a -6, and then divide by 0.1. So it's actually going to be 2 over 0.1, which is 20. Okay, and we just continue this same process. We just continue this. And we're also going to get 10 and 50. And you may say, well, why is there this missing one? Well, it's missing because we're taking differences. We're actually taking the difference between two of these. So it might make more sense to, offset all of these. Think about it as being kind of like that. But we've got to write them somewhere, and we don't want to write them on the lines, so we just put them somewhere. And then the next level, we're going to just have to figure out the second derivative. You can take 20 minus 40 and then multiply that by 10, right? You can just do the same thing over and over again. Let's go ahead and do that. Or we don't have to. I mean, we can now say, well, it starts off negative, but it goes positive. But let's go ahead and formally compute some of these. 20 minus 40 is -20, and times 10. 10 minus 20 is -10, so it, times 10 is -100. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay, so it starts off negative but goes positive. So you would say starts negative, goes positive. Somebody has a message for you.
Hello.
He has some special wishes for you.
Good luck on your exam.